Get ready to experience audio bliss with the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, offering absolutely mind-blowing, industry-leading noise cancellation. These aren't just good, they literally silence the world around you, making noisy commutes or bustling offices disappear into pure, uninterrupted sound. And the magic doesn't stop there. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls will last longer than even your busiest days. Perfect for travel or long work sessions, you won't be constantly searching for a charger, ensuring your immersive audio experience is truly uninterrupted. What truly sets the XM5S apart is the seamless multi-point connection, letting you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. It's the ultimate convenience for multitasking professionals or anyone who values a fluid tech setup, truly earning their spot as some of the best wireless headphones. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience, these are absolutely worth considering. Check out the current price and full specs via the Amazon link in the description below. From their sleek design to the unbelievably comfortable fit and crystal clear sound quality, every detail is engineered for premium listening. Forget distractions and embrace pure sound. The WH-1000XM5 isn't just a headphone, it's your personal quiet zone, a true game changer in the electronics market. For anyone serious about superior sound and unparalleled quiet, I highly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5. Grab yours today and transform your daily listening.